In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use grid trading in the Binance mobile app. If you're new to grid trading or just looking to get started on your phone, you've come to the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to set up and monitor your grid trading strategy effectively. First, let's get started by opening the Binance app on your mobile device. Once you've got the app open, simply log in using your credentials. Make sure you have a secure password to protect your account, as you would with any financial service. Now that you're logged in, we're ready to move on to the next step. Head over to the trade section of the app. Once there, you'll see several options, but what we're interested in today is the section labeled bots. By selecting Spot Grid, you'll be entering the grid trading area where all the magic happens. Grid trading is a sophisticated method that involves placing a series of buy and sell orders at regular intervals within a defined price range. This helps automate the trading process and can potentially enhance your trading efficiency. Next, you'll want to tap Manual. This option gives you the flexibility to set up your grid strategy according to your personal preferences and market research. Once you've selected Manual, you'll need to choose a trading pair. Be sure to take the time to pick a pair that you are comfortable trading and that meets your investment goals. It's important to do some research on the trading pairs beforehand to ensure you're making an informed decision. Now let's dive into the details of setting your grid. You'll be prompted to set the price range for your grid. This defines the upper and lower limits where your bot will trade. Alongside this, you'll need to specify the grid count, which determines how many grid levels or intervals exist between those limits. Lastly, you'll have to decide on the amount you wish to invest. Balance your risk appetite with potential rewards and always invest only what you can afford to lose. After you've input all this information, the next step is to confirm and create your grid. Carefully review all the parameters you've set, and when you're satisfied, go ahead and confirm your choices. The Binance app will then create the grid based on your preferences. Finally, it's crucial to keep an eye on how your strategy is performing. Head over to All Orders, and under Running, you'll be able to monitor how your grid strategy is doing in real time. Keeping an eye on the performance can help you make necessary adjustments in response to market changes. And there you have it, you're now equipped with the knowledge to set up and manage your grid trading strategy in the Binance mobile app. Thanks for watching and happy trading.